going to explain how can we perform local BLAST using some Windows software. The software that we are using name is Eugene. First of all, we have to download Eugene. This is the website of Eugene and we can download it from here. Then download on this one. This is the installer. So then just install this one as we install other simple tools in Windows. After installed, there will be a Eugene icon having start, so you can open this UniProt Eugene software. Then this is the user interface of UniProt Eugene. There are different functions: files, actions, settings, tools. And in these tools, today our topic is related to BLAST. And in this tutorial, we will discuss about how to carry a local BLAST in your system. So first of all, to carry or to make a database, we need complete genome sequence. So for this purpose, we have a complete genome of a species. This is a species complete genome, and there are if we open this into edit with Notepad, then we can count the number of genes by counting the greater sign, as each sequence is starting with greater sign, and these sequences are in the form of FASTA format with 2-line sequence. So just put here the greater signs and click on count. This is the number of genes, total number of genes that are present in this file. So in our case, there are 30,404 sequences. That's the complete genome of ginkgo species. So we have this genome in the form of FASTA sequence. This sequence may be protein sequence, and you can also use CDS sequence and nucleotide sequences. So going to tools, click on BLAST. Then first of all, BLAST plus MAG databases. In this case, select input files for formatting database. In this window, we will select the complete genome sequences of our target species. In our case, that is this is our protein sequence in the form of FASTA file. So just select this one, and this is protein sequence, so automatically the option is on protein. Here, this select the path to save the databases. So we will save this one on the desktop by creating test BLAST folder. this box is red, as this box only gets single name. If we delete this part, then now this is in the correct form. So we have to use only a single word in this database name. Okay, this is name of the databases that we are going to create for localBLAST. So just click on format. So now the database creation is successfully completed. So we can also check files. These are databases files, and we will use this .phr file for database search. We also need some query sequences that we are searching in our databases. So in our cases, we have some sequences from Arabidopsis. These sequences are related to nucleotide binding site sequences, and here we have 10 sequences. You can select different number of sequences, but these sequences are format. So going to the again tool. In this time we have to use the BLAST search. Just click on BLAST search, select input file. So here we will upload our query sequence, protein sequence, and these protein sequence are in the FASTA sequences. This is our file, so we will just open this one. Then here options, BLASTAND for nucleotide BLAST. So we will select BLAST-P because our query sequence as well as databases belongs to protein sequences. So we will select BLAST-P. The expected value, you can change the expected value. If you increase expected value, then the number of hits will also increase. But on the other hand, if you decrease expected values, then the search will be limited, very specific to the related sequences. This is the databases file. In this file, this is the databases file that we have already created. So we will select this file, that is .phr file, that is databases file, and this is the new creation. So this is the number of CPU that are using. In our cases there are 4 CPUs, so total number of CPU is using by Eugene software. Then just click on search. Here is the progress in percentage. So now the BLAST is completed. Then just check here. This is my documents, and this contains the list of BLAST. Just right click on this one and export this one. You can save, export this one. This is in that format. We can also select folder in which we want to save. Again, we want to save in this folder, and the name of file should be BLAST results of ginkgo. This is the name of plant species. So we will just save this one. Here we will use TFF file, then export this one. Now our file is exported, so our localBLAST is completed. This was our result. So we will open this into a notepad file, notepad++ file. Yes, this is the result of BLAST. Here you can see this is ANP 18360. This is the name of query sequence, and this is the hit, that start hit, that end. This is the name of BLAST, that is BLAST. This is BLAST is a bit score, and this is the E value. And you can go from here to sources, direct gap. That is detail about the similarity between query and the target sequence. This is the number of gaps, this is percentage of gaps, identities, this is percentage identity, this is very important, this one is very important, and the bit score value is also important. This is subject sequence. So here is the subject sequence, and this is the subject sequence, complete sequence. Then at the end, this is the name of genes that are similar to our query sequence. This is the accession of genes present in the target genome, and if we copy this one, then we will search in our genome sequence. That was this one. Ctrl+F. Fine. Yes. So this is a sequence that is more similar to our first query sequence. So in this way we can obtain all. This was the basic procedure for the local BLAST. If you have any query, then let me know please. Thank you so much.